Oh, hello, beautiful people and Linux fans. I hope you have a wonderful week so far. So today, hopefully in this quick video, I'm gonna show you a new, well, at least it's new for me. I don't think it's really new, but anyway, this is cool feature from the Plasma desktop that you can set permissions for your Flatpaks. If you remember a while back, if we go to my YouTube channel, a few months ago I have made this video about the cute little program called FlatSeal. You can manage the permissions from all your Flatpaks, and this is all there. This is still relevant, but there is another easier way that I'm gonna show you today. So let's get to it. Okay, so first, why do you need to set permissions for your Flatpaks? For example, if you are like me and using external hard drive for, let's say, all my games, and you want to reach, let's say, with Steam, or I'll show you, I have installed Minion just now, and I want to reach this Flatpak application with my to my external hard drive. And if you have not set the permission, you cannot do this. If I want to add a new folder for, let's say, Elder Scrolls Online, go and navigate to the place where this folder is. In my case, this is an external hard drive. But if you have not set the permission, you will not see this drive. Come on. Go to Run, Media, and this is my external hard drive right here. If you open it, you see only the folder that has the permission, and of course this is for the Steam library, but you don't see any other folders here. But the thing is, I want to add another folder which is for my Lutris Elder Scrolls. I know it's a little confusing, but this is just for the example. So how you go and do that, just open your Plasma settings, navigate here to the bottom, you will see the application permissions. Go there, and as you can see, you have the Flatpak permissions. Here you have all the Flatpaks already installed on your system. So in my example, I'm going to need to set permission for Minion. You can do all kinds of different stuff here, but let's go to the file system access, add new, and here we choose the folder that we need to go to. In my case, this is games, this is Lutris. I'm looking for the Elder Scrolls Online, drive C, users, my username. We go to the documents, live, and this is the folder I'm looking for. Just click OK. Read only is the default, and just go to read and write, because in my case I will download some add-ons here. Just click OK and apply, and this is it. This is how easy it is. Now if we open again my Minion application, and try again to add another folder, now as you can see, we have two folders here, one for Steam library and one for the Lutris. So this is everything you need to do now. just keep opening them. This is the folder I need, just select it, open, and that's it. That's all you need to do. It's that easy. And although the flat seal application is still really relevant, you don't really need to do that. You don't really need to install that application anymore, especially if you are like me and using a really small drive like this Fedora install that I have here. It's only 60 gigabytes, and we all know that the Flatpak applications are little bit bigger in size, so every little bit counts. So anyway, this is all I wanted to share with you today. Please do let me know what you think about it. Have you known about this feature? I know I have just discovered it, but I know maybe it's been there for a while. So anyway, please do let me know what you think, what you expect, and how you use your Flatpak permissions. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!